Hey, what's going on? It's Nova Kamikaze Kane back here for another fingerboard opening. Fingerboard obstacles this time. I got recycled plastic park bench from a company called Spark in Peru. I totally botched my opening and didn't record myself opening the box. Spark, professional fingerboarding company, and you know it's official when your name's on a box. Everything was very nicely packaged. These had individual wrappings on them. So recently I've been on this like recycled plastic kick, and I had ordered this keychain and carabiner from a dude in the Czech Republic, Chels. I'll put his link down in the description along with Sparks. Really cool. You know, I've been saving up my own plastics. You know, just the stuff I got around the house right now. I could do my coffee cup mugs and jugs and, you know, cottage cheese containers and different things like that you can like melt and make into different things. And I mean, that's cool. Let's put it together and let's get some fingerboard action on this thingy. So that took me about 5-6 minutes to put together. Not too bad. You know, everything came that I needed, a screwdriver to put it together. And yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. So my overall impressions, I think it's pretty legit. I like it. It feels good. Overall, out of 10, I give it an 8.5. I really like it. Like the way it feels, and like I said, I like the fact that it's recycled plastic. Something new, something different in the fingerboard obstacle world. And you know, like I've been searching out these types of things and stuff like that, just for my own purposes and stuff, and then came across the Spark company. So glad I came across them. They were super cool. Sent it out, came pretty quick. It wasn't more than like a week and a half to come from Peru to California, so that's a good deal. And any links down in the description below, my Instagram page, anything else. Again, rocking that workshop. If you didn't see the last video, go check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.